In this 3-minute video, we're going to import some work orders into the CMMS using the import tool. The most likely use case for importing work orders into your CMMS is when coming from Excel or another CMMS system. First, let's take a look at the import file. You'll notice this file has 25 lines, 1 line for the header and 24 for the work order data. You'll also notice this file has 13 columns, so we'll be importing data into 13 fields in the CMMS. However, more fields are possible if needed. A full list of possible fields is available in the Data Import section of the Help Center knowledge base. Before we begin, a few things to draw attention to. Firstly, take a look at the code column. It's generic, simple numbering. When coming from another system, a good idea is to make the code unique so it doesn't conflict with the code system in your new Fix CMMS. We'll add old in front of the code to show it came from the old system. Secondly, take a look at lines 22 to 25. These all have the same work order code, but different task numbers. What this means is this work order had 4 tasks in it. That's really it. At this point, we have everything we need to do a basic work order import. Importing this should be quick and easy. Click Save File As, and scroll down to CSV format. This is the file format required for importing. Now, back to the CMMS. Navigate to Settings in your CMMS and click Import. Choose the work order option. Find the file on the drive. We added headers to the file, so we can leave the box checked and click Continue. In the next screen, we may have to do some mapping. The default work order status is set to Closed Complete, which means those work orders in the CSV file with no status set will be automatically set to Closed Complete. We also configured our dates in the CSV file to match the date time format number 8. The left-hand side shows the column names in the CSV file. The right-hand side shows the available fields in the system. Task number gets mapped to work order task number. Date completed also needs to be mapped. We have 2 options: work order completion date or task completion date. In this case, it's work order completion date, the date the work order was closed. It is always recommended that you label your headers correctly in the import file so you don't have to map each time you import. Again, we only did it here for demonstration purposes. Click Continue and the system will look for errors and warnings in the file. If you see any errors, you should stop the import and fix your file. In this case, we have none. Click Import to upload the data to the CMMS. And it's done. If we navigate to the work order page, and let's do a search for old to show the work orders from the old system, you can see a full list of the imported work orders. Let's take a close look at work order 21, the one with the multiple tasks. When we open it up, you can see those 4 tasks. And that's it, easy. Don't forget to check out the Data Import section of the Help Center knowledge base for import tips and tricks, a list of importable headers, and some sample CSV files.